For lesson 12.8, we are talking about equal or unequal parts. Now that we have taken shapes and we have decomposed those shapes into new shapes, we want to be able to look at, are those new shapes that we created, are they equal or unequal? So our 4 new vocabulary words today are equal parts, equal shares, unequal parts, and unequal shares. Reminding students equal means it's the same amount. Just like when we're solving math problems, if we say 12 equals 12, that is true. Both of those numbers and quantities are exactly the same. So same thing with our parts. The number 1 wants them to color the shapes that show unequal shares. And so we would circle the ones where the parts are not the same or not equal. This one's tricky. It looks like it's equal, but we can see these two sides are not the same as the middles. So those ones would be unequal. Number 2 says, color the shapes that show equal shares. If we were to color the ones that are equal, it would be the first one and the second one. The third one is close, but you can see that these ones right here are not equal. The second is not the same as the third line, and the last one, that circle, definitely is not equal. So it's just the first two. Number 3, the problem solving says draw lines to show equal parts. They want us to show 4 equal parts. So just cutting that square in half, they can have 2 different answers. That can be one of their answers, or they can draw straight lines to show 4 equal parts. Either one's just fine. On the back side of the homework, the first problem says, which shows unequal shares? We know that that would be B. Even though they drew straight lines on that circle, we can see that each one of those sides are not as big of a share as the middle part of that circle. And on the spiral review, number 2, looking at a picture graph, actually a tally graph, which food did the most children choose? That would be pancakes. And number 3, our bar graph on that one, it says how many children choose stuffed animals? That would be 4 children.